Hi, my name is Erica Mather, and I live in New York City, and I teach forest yoga and vinyasa there. And I came here to Phoenix, where it's been very cold, for the Chi-Fit certification. 200 hours? Well, sort of the introductory thing for me, because I've never done Qigong before. And I have some colleagues who do Qigong, and forest yoga is kind of a healing practice, so it's been very interesting for me to learn about some new ways to introduce people to a healing practice if perhaps they're not ready to do yoga yet, because there's a lot of people who really, truth be told, can't really do yoga yet, but they need something to help them heal. So I think what's been very interesting about the weekend is an initiation into Qigong and seeing how that could work for my clients or for other people's clients, but also for me, cultivating a potential practice that will help me stay vital using breath and using motion and using them specifically to clear the meridians and clean my organs. And we need this, and it sometimes needs to be quick. So there's people walking out in the hall. It's okay. And that, I think, concludes all I have to say about this weekend. I would encourage you to attend if you are available to, and even if you're not, there's correspondence courses.